What you got on that one?
32-day build. Yeah. Maybe he should go to Maloney should go to him for his build. It even says 32 on here. 32 days ago.
That's the original mileage on the car too. My stepdad had bought it brand new in '69.
Wow.
68, but he bought it as a '69 dealer demo.
Yeah.
So. That's good. Nah.
Hey Brad.
Yeah.
Let's see the coupe. Which coupe? What do you want to see? What year is this thing?
68.
68?
Yeah, 68.
How much horsepower are you pumping out of this baby?
I don't know for sure. The motor's new.
Yeah.
I just put it in on Thursday.
Yeah. Oh, really?
Yeah.
So
it's got about 5 minutes of runtime on it, but it's putting out some boost.
Yeah.
I'd say neighborhood 850.
850?
Yeah.
How much
more than that?
How much boost you running?
15 pounds right now.
15 pounds.
Yeah, right
Phenomenal.
now. Just for breaking in.
Yeah. So you just threw it on Thursday,
Yeah.
yeah?
The whole car was a 32-day build.
32-day build?
32-day. I started it July 12th. It was in the barn, covered in dirt and dust and bird.
Really?
Yeah.
It was a barn find.
No motor, no trans, no interior.
Get out of here.
No.
You know what you're doing.
There's an envelope, or there's a, what do you call it, album on the front.
Yeah.
That showed what happened.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so, yeah, very intense, quick build.
That is super quick.
Yeah.
How'd you source out all the parts?
I had the motor in that laying around, the
Yeah.
supercharger laying around. The interior was out, but it was mint. It was ready to go back in, so. It just basically put it all back together, but you got to do a lot of fabbing after that.
Yeah.
Because the motor never been in the car before, the supercharger never been in the car before. So
really, what kind of supercharger?
It's a Weiand 871.
871.
Yeah,
Thanks. Did you drive it over here?
No, I did not. We took it off. We pulled it off the trailer, and all these strong men helped me unload it.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
That's a barn find.
Yeah, pretty kind of in a way. It's my barn, but it's a barn find. Yes.
Yeah. That's awesome. Well, thank you. Appreciate it.
No problem.
It'll be on this channel.
Pardon me?
It'll be on this channel.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Cool.
It'll be over there.
Right
Thank
on.
you.
Thank you.
It's good. It's good. George.
Yeah, he went crazy.
Boy, he just does this crazy.
Where's he from?
What's that? Oh, yeah. Greg's dad's on the live. Here's Greg. Your dad's on the live.
Nice.
He says, let's see the coupe. Can you type in what coupe? That coupe?
Oh, yeah.
That thing? Okay.
30.
33? Okay. The black one. Okay. All right.